Okay, well, we found some more ducks. These swans fucking pissed me off, like I said last time fucking adventure. Let's throw a fucking rock at them, see what fucking happens. Let's go see. Open the whole thing. Someone hold my fucking sweater. Fuck you all.
Oh, Anthony, we love you!
I'll have sex with you later. Damn you ducks, you pissed me off. Now you must die of my sex. Hey, who the fuck am I rock? Fuck all you all. Oh shit, they're back! There you little bastard! Look at the fucking bitches. We should fucking cut their balls off.
Okay, I'm done.
We have to go to... Okay.